Have you ever installed a new faucet, only to notice that it does not sit right on your sink? It can be frustrating when the style looks great but the fit is not quite right. I know how much small details matter in a bathroom upgrade. I looked at several options to find the best three-hole bathroom faucet for different sinks, styles, and budgets. In this video, I will share my top picks, what stands out about each one, and what to check before buying. Keep watching to find a faucet that suits your bathroom. Check the link in the description for more details, and do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Let us get started. Number 5. Moen Three-Hole Bathroom Sink Faucet. The Moen Three-Hole Bathroom Sink Faucet looks like a stylish option for a bathroom update, especially when I want a classic bronze finish. Oil-rubbed bronze finish gives the faucet a warm, traditional look that can pair well with other bathroom fixtures. Flexible 8 to 16-inch installation allows more freedom when fitting it onto a widespread sink. Included valve is also helpful because the required rough-in valve comes with the trim kit. I like that the set includes a pop-up drain, which can make a matching installation easier. The WaterSense certification may also help reduce water use without giving up normal performance. The brass construction should offer a solid feel. One drawback is the higher price, so it may not suit a tight budget. The Bramford style should work well for traditional bathroom designs. Number 4. Delta Nickel Three-Hole Bathroom Faucet. The Delta Nickel Three-Hole Bathroom Faucet looks like a practical choice for a bathroom sink when I want a clean and modern style. Pull-down sprayer can make it easier to rinse the sink and remove toothpaste or dirt. Spot Shield stainless finish should help resist corrosion and keep the surface looking neat with regular care. Quick Connect installation may also make setup easier by helping the water lines connect securely. I like the magnetic docking system because it should keep the sprayer in place when it is not being used. The push-pop drain can also be removed from above for easier cleaning. The faucet fits three-hole widespread setups and includes the needed mounting hardware. One drawback is that the price may be higher than basic bathroom faucets. The lifetime limited warranty adds extra peace of mind for long-term use. Number 3. Pfister Three-Hole Bathroom Sink Faucet. The Pfister Courant Three-Hole Bathroom Sink Faucet looks like a practical pick for a classic bathroom setup. 8-inch widespread design should work well with many three-hole sinks and vanities. Push and seal drain makes opening and closing the drain simple with a quick press. WaterSense certification also helps reduce water use without making the faucet feel less useful for daily tasks. The polished chrome finish gives the faucet a clean look that can suit many bathroom styles. The two-handle layout allows separate control of hot and cold water. I also like the swivel spout for added flexibility around the sink. One drawback is that the traditional design may not suit modern bathrooms. It also requires three-hole installation, so checking sink spacing first is wise. Number 2. Hosley Three-Hole Bathroom Sink Faucet. The Hosley Three-Hole Bathroom Sink Faucet looks like a practical choice for a bathroom. Its brushed nickel surface should blend with sink styles while helping hide watermarks. The widespread setup offers flexibility when matching basin layouts. I like that the package includes a pop-up drain, braided hose, and connecting parts, which can make installation easier. The ceramic valve design is a reassuring detail for everyday water control. Adjustable widespread installation gives freedom during fitting. Lead-free construction is useful for anyone focused on safer water contact. Included pop-up drain adds convenience without needing another purchase. The main concern is that installation still requires plumbing knowledge, especially when checking connections. Overall, the specifications suggest a convenient option for bathroom upgrades where simple styling and flexible placement matter. Number 1. Hurran Three-Hole Black Bathroom Faucet. The Hurran Three-Hole Black Bathroom Faucet has a clean look that can suit a modern vanity. The matte black finish gives the sink a bold touch while helping it pair well with many bathroom styles. The widespread design allows flexible placement, which is useful for different sink layouts. Stainless steel construction offers a sturdy feel for regular bathroom use. Water-saving system can help reduce water use while keeping a steady flow. 360-degree swivel spout provides extra room when washing hands or using the basin. The included supply lines and matching drain may also make the setup more convenient. One thing to consider is that the product may not be available for every delivery location. The 2 lever handles allow separate hot and cold control, while the ceramic cartridges are designed for smooth operation. Overall, its practical design and modern finish make it worth considering for a bathroom update. Final verdict. After comparing these 5 options, my top overall pick is the Hurran 3-hole black bathroom faucet. Its modern matte black finish, stainless steel construction, swivel spout, ceramic cartridges, and included supply lines and drain make it a well-rounded choice for a bathroom upgrade. For a more budget-friendly option, I would recommend the Hurran 3-hole bathroom sink faucet, especially if you want an adjustable widespread design with several installation accessories included. Before buying either one, make sure the faucet spacing matches your sink and check the total shipping and import costs. Check the link in the description for current prices and more details, and do not forget to subscribe to my channel and choose the faucet that best fits your bathroom.